Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show us how to divide this by x plus 2 using long division. Okay, this is division of polynomials. Solution. Now we're going to use long division method to divide 2x raised to the power 3, 2x raised to the power 3 plus 3x raised to the power 2 minus 5x minus 6 by x plus 2. Okay, we are using long division. All right, so what we do first is we're going to divide 2x raised to the power 3 by x. That is, we have 2x raised to the power 3, you divide it by x, and the x cancel x here, we have 2x squared. All right, so we're going to write the 2x squared here. Now we're going to multiply this 2x squared by x plus 2. Okay, this is our divisor, this is our dividend. All right, so 2x squared times x will give us 2x raised to the power 3. Then 2x squared times 2 will give us 4x squared. Then we're going to do subtraction. We're going to subtract this from this. All right, 2x raised to the power 3 minus 2x raised to the power 3 will give us 0. Okay, that has been cancelled out. Then we have 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 will give us minus 1, and that we have x squared, that will give us minus x squared. Then we're going to bring minus 5x down, and we also bring minus 6 down. All right, so we repeat the process. What we are doing next is we are dividing minus x squared by x. So we have minus x squared, we divide it by x, and that will give us minus x. All right, so we write the minus x here. Then we are going to multiply this minus x by x plus 2. So minus x times x give us minus x squared. Then minus x times plus 2 will give us minus 2x. Then we subtract again. Now minus x squared will give us 0. Why minus 5x? Let's write it. We have minus 5. This is the minus 5 minus 2. This is the minus 2. Okay, so we have minus 5 minus 2. We multiply these signs. Minus times minus will give us plus. That gives minus 5 plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. So that means minus 5 minus 2 will give us minus 3x. Then we bring minus 6 down again. Okay, so from here, we repeat the process again for the last time. We are going to divide minus 3x by x. So we have minus 3x divided by x. X cancel x. What do we have? We have minus 3. So we are going to write the minus 3 here. Then we multiply the minus 3 by x plus 2. All right, so we have minus 3 times x will give us minus 3x. Then minus 3 times plus 2 will give us minus 6. So we're doing subtraction again. Minus 3x will give us 0. Minus 6 minus 6 will also give us 0. Okay, so there is no remainder. That means that when you divide 2x raised to the power 3 plus 3x raised to the power 2 minus 5x minus 6, when you divide it by x plus 2 to give us the answer, which is 2x squared minus x minus 3. This is our answer. All right, so let's try this. Now let's divide 3x raised to the power 3 minus 2x squared minus 12x plus 8 by x minus 4. Right, so let's divide this by this using long division. That's the method that I used for the other one. And then Let's write our answer in the comment section. All right, thanks guys for joining. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.